These things came in the mail today. I got this used on eBay. Look at it. It looks brand new. The thing about this I want to note is this particular design, there's a lot of manufacturers using this very same design, and I recommend you try and find the manufacturer that you like the best or the cheapest one and just grab whichever one, because I got this for, it was a bid and I got it for like $36 and people sell this for $80 and $60 on there brand new. So try and find this one, and when you're searching for it, try and also get the red covers here, you know, so it can be red, you know. For me that's important, I guess. And let's see, it came with a 3.5mm jack, micro USB, and a little instruction thing, so I'll get to that in a minute. That's just kind of the unboxing. Oh, and what was fun was when they sent it in here, this big old box. So this was getting banged and flung and swung around with UPS, so it's durable. It can handle that. Anyway, the other thing that came, which I knew because I had tracking information, I misplaced my box cutter. There, I got it. That's just more editing for me. I got an Ifixit driver kit because, let me show you why. The one I got on eBay from China, it's a nice little thing, but this thing hardly fits with any of these, so it makes turning and doing stuff like that really impossible. It's just metal and it's slick, and that's no. But it did come in this nice leather pouch. It's nice, you know. So this, more like a traditional, I guess you just pull it out. Hold on. Oh, more stuff to, there you go. Now you know. So eBay's was doing a whole bunch of like save 10%, 15% when you do this and that, and I was just eating it up. So I got this, and it comes with this nice little case. Oh gosh, don't do that. And it's easy to pull open. Almost threw everything everywhere. And it comes with this. Oh yeah, that's gonna grab some surface skin right there, and that's a lot easier to grip. It spins freely. And you can see the end there. It looks like it's magnetic. Yep, magnetic. And you get all of these. Let's see what else we got over here. Hold on. So that, and what's this? Not sure what that's for. I'll have to discover. But it looks magnetic. Let's find out. Nope, on that side. So I don't know what that's for. I'll have to discover one day. Anyway, got that little mini toolkit. It was $29.99, and of course I saved a little bit. This will show you everything that's on it. There you go. Okay, and no, I didn't use anyone's code. I got this on eBay again. They're on eBay, so you can buy their stuff on eBay. I should put the focus back on. Now I'm gonna take these off and put these on, and that'll be it. So by the time I'm done doing that, you would have clicked like and subscribe. Let's see, how you take these off. How you do it? Wait, maybe it's in the instructions. I don't quite see it. Let me look more carefully. I don't really see it. Alright. Alright, so it's got a bunch of these. So if I take it off on this side, it looks like that'd be the easiest one to get. Yep, I'm right. Yeah, so take it off from the corner up here, because that one sticks out the most. So that'd be the first one you would want to get. And all I needed was a nail built in to my finger. There we go. Alright, so let's get a look at that. Speaker, a bigger speaker, and a small speaker here. Nothing there. And then you got your woofer down here. Volume. Listen. Oh, that's satisfying. Next, previous, and mode. I guess. Oh, there's a power button up there, I guess. Alright, let's put these on. That's right, that's wrong side. Here we go. Flip. Maybe I'll use this tomorrow for the program. I was planning on using my tablet though, so I probably won't do that. Alright, now there was one more question I had for this. Some of these have a NFC tag right here. So I wanted to see if NFC would work. So we're gonna zoom in. We're gonna find out. Oh gosh, I almost dropped my phone. This screen might need to be on. Let me take a break. So hope you enjoy the unboxing and the switching to make this red with everything else that's red. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. And by see you guys later, I mean I will be on the internet and you'll be on the internet and we'll interact. I have power amp set to a flat EQ. Alright, so let's go into Bluetooth and we're gonna pair this thing. Okay, so I have to press that button, hold it. Oh, I just turned it on. I should have held it. It's set on indoor. Nice. Well, let's turn it down. Hopefully that was down. Good. All right. Lame. All right. Let's press and hold it this time. Okay. Let's see if we can find it. I should have read the instructions. All right. You can't read this, but pairing for Bluetooth pairing. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think I held it long enough. HD55, yeah, that's it. HD55. Use the phone to find it. Pair. You can turn all the way out. Alright, let's try this whole next thing. I'm gonna swipe from the left to the right. Okay, so that was previous. Left to the right is previous. Right to the left is the next one. And what is play pause? Oh, I guess play pause would be the same button, so. Yep, okay. So your power button's also your play pause button. Alright, so there's an outdoor mode. Let me pick a song I don't have to cut off after 15 seconds. Alright, pick the song. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play it and I'm going to turn it up. It's going to be quite loud. Here we go. Volume's maxed over here. Am I turning the right way? Yeah. It seems like you have to turn it 4 times before it turns up. 3 times that time. 2 times. But the faster you turn it, the more it goes. Oh, and this is my music, so don't try and take credit for my stuff. Okay, so when it maxes, it does that. There's 2 speakers on this side, but only 1 on that side. Oops. Max volume. Alright, outdoor mode, indoor mode. Indoor mode right now. A whole lot less bass. Alright, well, that's a sound test of the Trelab version of this particular configuration of a Bluetooth speaker. No NFC, which is okay, you know, no big deal, no big whoop, that's okay. But sounds pretty good for what it is. It's not the loudest thing ever, and outdoor mode totally takes away all bass, but I'm happy with it. And good luck finding one. Oh, and that was flat EQ once again. Flat. Totally flat. Look at that. Oops. Totally flat EQ. So adjustments to be made. One other thing, the bottom here, this is where you charge it and all that other stuff. Micro USB and then AUX port. So I'm going to plug it up and see if it sounds better. I'm going to go back to the flat EQ again. Flat, except not for Bluetooth, for wired. Okay. That lights up green. Volume still works, but that doesn't work, of course. Okay, I gotta switch songs. Alright, same song, of course. Just, you know, further along in it. Max volume. I gotta max it out over here, hold on. That's half. Flat EQ. Let me show you something. It's connected via Bluetooth right now, so obviously if you connect it here, it's gonna cut off and search for power. Then you connect it here and it'll start playing. Well, because I have it set up that way on my phone, but let's see. Oh, it should start playing. That's what it normally does. Alright, so it would have started. Alright, so it's playing now. Let's see. It's playing. If I unplug it, I should have unplugged it here first. But now you hear that noise, and it's going to try and reconnect, and it has reconnected. So just be aware, if you unplug your source and stuff, it's going to try and reconnect back via Bluetooth. to the last device that was connected to it. Alright, let's see what happens when you charge it. Alright, so of course, you do that, and you plug it in. It turns red at the top. Let me put it down first. There we go. Alright, so we'll see what happens when it's fully charged, but when it's charging, it is red. Charging and battery. To obtain optimal power capacity, the HD55 should be charged using the provided USB cable in your packaging box. The charge, it doesn't really say. I was hoping it would say what it does when it's charging, but it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't really say that. Yeah, it doesn't. So we'll find out. Well, according to this, it does have NFC. I'm gonna have to try harder, I guess. This is me trying harder. Because the NFC on this phone's not the best. Like, the terminals at stores are fine, but like, as far as this kind of thing, it's not usually that good at it. Maybe NFC's off. That's a possibility. I hadn't really touched this since. Okay, it's on. It's right there. I don't know what to do, because it should be